Now whenever I have a no output tuner problem, first thing I do is I always check for the make sure I'm getting the power supply is putting out voltage for the actual tuner board, and then I go ahead and work from there with signal injection. How I generally do it, I start from normally like from the MPX chip, and then I work basically, I'd say, backwards toward the front end. Here's where the voltage for the tuner board comes in, the B plus supply, which is right here of this purple wire. The DC voltage for the power supply actually came in through here, and I had voltage there about around 12 volts, and I had voltage there, and if I would kept tracing it to here, I had voltage, but here I didn't have voltage. So what I did is I actually resoldered this right here, and that didn't make a difference at all. I had no voltage here. So then I decided to bridge this wire across this gap, and I should have about 12.5 volts, and here 12.5 volts, and before, where I didn't have any voltage, let me get on here better. Same thing here, 12.5 voltage. So if I'm lucky now, then the FM should be working again. Now, I don't have an antenna hooked up, but a really strong station, with a really strong station, I might be able to get the stereo indicator to light up, and it's lighting up right there. I haven't put the headphones on or anything, but I would venture to say it looks like the FM problem is fixed. And here's the actual completed job. I did end up shortening that wire. In fact, I could have shortened it even more. But I don't think I'm going to go ahead and desolder it now. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And the FM now is working. It's actually working great. Now with this particular receiver, I went straight to the IF transistors, which are like easy to get to, and I had the schematic. I could see where it was coming in. It was supposed to be like I think one of the collectors was supposed to have like 9 volts on it or something, and it didn't have anything, and then in fact none of them had anything at all. So now with it on now, you can see it does have actually 9 volts. So that kind of proved to me right there there was something wrong with the supply of power somewhere along the line.